Hi guys, here we come to the elevator at it's working. There's no DH in this elevator. Going up. Swari, hurry up, get into the elevator.
Hi, kid.
Get into the elevator. Get into the elevator. I'm gonna do it. Let's go 5. Let's go to 6. Go to 6. Ooh! Oh, I pressed the call for help button. I pressed the phone button, the call for help button immediately. I stitched this DDL there. I'm sorry, I accidentally hit the phone. Okay.
I am.
I accidentally hit the phone in the elevator, thinking it was door closed. Yes. Lemony Snicket. Ooh. It's not gonna shut off. Ooh. Ooh. I said it's shut.
Oh my God, this is the phone in the elevator.